guys, welcome back for the vlog. And today's video, guys, is our day 10 of our quarantine house. We are here at home again. Nothing's new. Welcome to my room. Very hot, as you can see. And today, guys, I'm gonna show you some of my very own recipe, my very own ways on how to make my Dalgona Milo. So, any further ado, I'm gonna introduce to you my ingredients. First of all, we have we have Nestle Cream. Okay, the ingredients we have here is 1 Nestle Cream, 2 pack of Milo, and 1 milk, and 1/4 of sugar. But we're gonna use a simple and in a portion way on how to make my Dalgona Milo. So any further ado, let's go.
Here with the squad, everybody tryna go, yeah, the party jumping off. Hey, we putting on a show, tryna catch a vibe. We do this every time, like na 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 na. Feeling like I'm on the highway, cause everything been going my way. And now they looking at me sideways. I'm like na 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 na. This is where I wanna be, na na na. Never ever gonna leave, na na. This is where I wanna stay, nah, nah, nah. I could do this every day, nah, nah, nah. It don't matter what they say, I'm like, nah, 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 nah. Say, hey, I've been on the wave. It's a party, make a toast. It's a party every day. So anywhere you go, all across the coast, we do it every time, like, nah, 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 nah. I got nothing but the highlights. Can't believe that this is my life. I'm only living on the bright side. I'm like na 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 na. This is where I wanna be. Na na na. Never ever gonna leave. Na na na. You ain't gonna get it from me. I'm like na 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 na. This is where I wanna stay. Na na na. I could do this every day. Na na na. It don't matter what they say. I'm like na 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 na. Never going home.
And yun na nga, guys, tapos na kami gumawa ng video with my brother. So thank you sa kanya, guys, no? Siya yung nagtumulong sa akin para gumawa ng video. And look the mess we made. See? Kain siya ng kain, no? Masarap ba? Masarap?
Samay pa ko.
So here's our Dalgona coffee. Thank you, Rogue, sa lighting, no? So here's our Dalgona coffee. So taas siya sugar content, no? Taas siya sugar content, guys. So eto na siya. Ito na. So I'm gonna try. Masarap. Sarap yung combination sa guys, chocolate tapos milk. So that's it for today's video, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe in our video and click the notification bell and like and comment. A peace.